Avenue. Student Help Files. Student support resources are available directly from the Student Help Files link on the Avenue banner, allowing students to access help files in just 2 clicks. These resources support students as they become familiar with the courseware. Because they are centrally accessible through the Avenue banner, instructors do not need to manage or maintain them. Instead, instructors can focus on making students aware of these resources and showing them how to use them to work more independently. Using the Student Help Files. On the Avenue banner, click on Resources. Click on the Student Help Files link. The Avenue Student Help Files screen appears. Please note, students should not use the Search for Answers bar. Instead, select a topic from the list. Click on a list item to open the help file. To return to the Student Help Files menu, click on the Student Help Files breadcrumb link.